Hi friends, today is the sixth day of communication skill enhancement practice. As we all know that communication skill is the critical skill which we want to acquire so that we develop in our career. If we do a business, it is also important so that because we need customers, we need investors. So in both way it is important. If you are a employee, it is important. If you are a businessman, also it is important. So communication skills in English language is also important. In the specific videos, I am making communication skills in I am making video in communication skill in English language because English language is new to us, and also formal communication is not new to us but not habituated to us. We are habituated to informal communication in our regional language. We like to speak in our native language in a informal manner, but which will not work if we have to work in a corporate, or we have to give some interview for job, or we have to discuss with investors, or we have to discuss with clients or customers or inspectors. We have to discuss, we have to speak in a formal manner. So we have to learn formal manner speaking, and we have to learn English speaking. So both things we can learn through daily practice. Daily 10 minutes practicing of making videos will boost our confidence. It will reach to our subconscious level. And the second thing, what I've told, that we need to listen. Need to listen for 30 minutes. 30 minutes we have to deliberately listen one English speaking, somebody speaking English in a very fluent manner and very constructive manner. And the same way we can write. Yes, we are not habituated to write in notebooks. If we create that habit, that writing in notebook, then that is the best way. If we can express our feelings, we can make diaries, so that at the end of the day we can note down what I've learned the whole day. But if you are not able to make that practice, what I have told, that we have to make our daily habits, we have to add something in our daily habits. How can we add? Like if we are doing some Facebook message, if you're doing some WhatsApp message, try to do it in a formal manner in English language. If you're chatting in WhatsApp, try to do it in formal manner. Convert from informal to formal. In every social medias like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. If we post a photo, add some 2-3 sentences what we are feeling right now and why you are posting this photo. That will also help you to improve your English skills, also influencing skills. The way we influence, the way we communicate come from the word commune, and commune means sharing. The way we sharing our thoughts and how we penetrate to others, how the people we are how can we influencing others, it's very important for our growth. So it cannot be done in a single day or a week or a month. We have to practice daily in a long time, for a long time. It's like a Kaizen for continuous improvement, good for change. Kaizen is good for change, for a continual improvement. Like there is no end of that improvement. You are continually improving yourself, and you are making yourself at a stage of flow state. The flow state, what I have told earlier, is like a state where you are learning as well as you are implementing in a very strong manner. You are very you are doing things in a subconscious, with your power of subconscious mind. Normally if you do something in a conscious mind, with our conscious mind, then it will not work like a flow state. You will not feel the flow in you. But if you do that work in a through subconscious mind, that then the feelings will like that you are in a flow state and you are doing things in a deliberate manner, in a very mastery way, in a mastery ways. Mastery cannot come. Mastery means you are know something, but you are able to teach the same thing to others. You are able to teach something to others so that others can learn the skills. Mastery in communication will come through long practice, and one mentor I have gone through is telling that he has practiced for 12 hours. 12 hours practice of daily till 19 days. Means 3 months he have practiced for 12 hours continuously to learn communicate in English. Communicating in English is totally new thing, not that much new, but new thing for us to deliver, not new thing for us to understand. If somebody communicate in English to us, we can easily understand. But when we have to go to stage and communicate to others, influence to others, then we will struggle. We will struggle not because we do not know anything. We struggle because we do not have practice of doing that thing. So we cannot have stage everywhere. We cannot get stage every day. Every day what we can get is we are with our phone. So making videos every day for 10 minutes is the one thing that will impact highly to our subconscious mind. What we are trying to do is we are training our subconscious mind so that it know that we are in a flow state to communicate in English in a fluent manner. It will take time, it needs patience. There will not going to get any good results. Because of not getting good results, you may be demotivated, but with a patience and continuous effort, we can learn communication skill in English with a very efficient manner. Yes, we need good mentors. Good mentors are like they are guiding us to right direction, because if we do not have mentors, there are several ways and we may be lost. At any time we can be lost. So we should be in right path. For that we need a good mentor. Select one good mentor, 2 mentor, 3 mentors. Select at least one good mentor and follow him. Follow the way he is telling, follow the way he is communicating, and follow the way he is telling us to practicing. We cannot practice randomly. We have to practice in a structured way. We should know how to tell stories. We should also know how to identify stories from our own life. In our own life there are thousands of stories which there is in our mind, but we have to constructively find it and organize it so that we can tell the story to others. In their story there is a problem, there is a struggle, there is some problem solving approach, and there is some results which will influence others, which will definitely implement others. There are various research, their story influence others, penetrate others. So find your own stories and definitely it will improve. If you are not finding stories, learn from other stories. Try to search in your same things in your own life. And definitely you will get a good stories from your life, and that story will influence others that story will boost your confidence. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and thumbs the like button. Bye bye.